In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Heygen, bring in your footage, trim it to the perfect length, and confirm the change with confidence. Have your video file handy, and make sure you can sign in to your Heygen account. Start by opening your browser and searching for Heygen. From the search results, choose the official site so you're working in the correct environment. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button and click it. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight through. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in before continuing. After you're in, head to AI Studio. This is the workspace where you'll organize media, place your video on the canvas, and access the trimming tools. On the right sidebar, click Media. This opens the Media panel where you can access assets available to you in the editor. Next, select My Media. This is your personal library where your uploads live. If your video is already there, great. If not, you can upload it now so it's ready to use. Drag your video from My Media onto the main display area. This places the clip on the canvas so you can see and edit it. Adjust the video size as needed by using the corner handles. Keep the corners aligned to maintain aspect ratio and avoid distortion. Position the clip so it looks right in the frame. Trimming won't affect how it's framed, but getting the size and placement set now helps you preview more accurately. With the clip selected, look for the scissors icon in the toolbar that appears above it. If you don't see the toolbar, click the clip once to highlight it. Then the scissors will appear as the trim option. Clicking the scissors opens the trimming window. You'll see a timeline with handles on both ends. Drag the left handle to set where you want the video to start, and drag the right handle to set where you want it to end. Use the preview to play the section you've chosen and fine-tune your selection. Watch the time indicators to make precise cuts, especially if you're matching to a script or voiceover. Make small adjustments and preview again until the in and out points feel natural. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the trim. Your clip will now reflect the chosen start and end points on the canvas. If you need to tweak it later, just reopen the trim tool and refine your selection. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and efficient trimming in Heygen.